Do you love it, August? Oh, it's hard to see how deep it is. Ooh. Can you walk? Can you turn around?
No.
No? Are you stuck? Stuck. Help?
Yeah.
You want some help? Yes. Oh, oh. Oh, it's a good thing you put on the gloves you didn't want to put on. Do you feel better now? Oh. Look at this. It's so crazy. And it's only 11 a.m. No, 10:30. Yeah? Ice hockey? Let's see. Let's go up here. Ruby, the snow behind you is taller than you. Can you walk? Move your feet. Move your feet. Go. Stomp. Stomp. Stomp your feet. Yes. Yes. Yay. Are you the snow queen? Oh, people are trying to get to the doctor, I see. Asher's coming?